Hi, this is Ron and I've got a problem. My bathroom faucet is leaking. It's been about 10 years. It's been holding up pretty good so far, but now it's time to change it. So I'm at Lowe's and I'm going to purchase one. And I've already looked and picked out the one I want, and we're looking at this guy right here. So I'm going to show you how to disassemble and install a new bathroom faucet. So this is what I bought, and these are all the parts that came with it, including the push button stopper, and we have a nice antique finish, a good Delta build. So first thing I got to do is remove the old stuff. Okay, so here we are underneath. The first thing I'm going to do is turn off the water. These are just simple quarter turns. And I have to get my wrench and remove the lines. Obviously, we're going to get a little bit of wet down here. That's why I got the towel. So, the underside of this is threaded. I got some water I didn't expect, and boy, that was a pain in the butt to get to. There's these guys here, and it's really tight. From what I understand, there's a special tool that you can use to get up and grab onto those, but I don't have that. Nonetheless, it is out, and I gotta clean up all that nastiness and then do the same for the stopper. And I ran into a little problem. It fits, but there's still some stain from where the old one was, and a little bit of silicone. So I'm gonna have to scrape this with a razor blade and get some solvent to try and clean this as best I can. So I got it back on. I cleaned it as best I could. Used some mineral spirits and followed with a little Clorox wipe. Slightly discolored, slightly yellowed, but I pulled it forward so it wouldn't be as blatantly obvious. So now I got to attack the drain. Once we get that replaced and the lines all put together, we'll test it. Now this sink has seen its better days, but after we get all that out, I'm going to clean this real nice. Because this is where the rubber gasket is going to go. Top and on the bottom. Alright, so this one is a little bit different from the one that I took out. So we have to get some silicone sealant, clear, and put a little bead underneath here, and then run this straight down into the hole. So after that, I will tighten it down, connect all the drainage underneath, and give it a test. And there you have it. A little bit of silicone, a little bit of elbow grease. Beautiful thing. Nice, no drips. There you have it. Anyone could replace a bathroom faucet. Till next time, adios.